We have a small bathroom in our basement, and every time we wash our hands, the wall to the back of the vanity would be splashed. We needed a backsplash. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money in this bathroom, so I went to the dollar store and I bought 3 bags of those vase filler gems. I knew the colors would look really good in that bathroom. After sorting them, I washed them off using Blue Dawn and water and then laid them out to dry. I drew a line under the mirror and removed the mirror so it would be easier to work. I drew lines from the edge of the vanity to meet the mirror line. This was going to be my guide for my backsplash. I applied a thin coat of mastic using a small notched trowel. So, we're just going to spread this on. We need too thick, just so it gets on the wall. And then we take the ridgy side to make ridges. Alright, then we start. Then the fun began as I pressed the gems into the mastic. I really didn't have a pattern, I just fit them together like a puzzle. I worked in small sections so the mastic wouldn't dry too quickly. Once I was done, I mixed the grout. I mixed 1 cup of grout to a 1/2 cup of water. I applied the grout in small sections, making sure I was pushing it between each of the gems. I didn't push too hard because I didn't want to move the gems, but I wanted to make sure that every spot was filled in between them. After 30 minutes, I checked to see if the mastic was dry. Not yet, it's still wet. After 1 hour, I checked again, and yep, it was nice and dry. Using a large spun and plain water, I washed away all of the excess grout. I removed the painter's tape that I had placed on the top of the vanity and applied caulk, smoothing it out with my finger. Wow, what a difference it makes, and no more splattered wall. I hope this inspires you to make a small change that will solve a problem in your home.